Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the PDF in a capable editor so you can see thumbnails. This gives you a visual map of pages. Once opened, scan thumbnails left to right and mark the numbers of unnecessary pages so you don't guess later. Make sure to create a backup copy first using Save As or a quick duplicate. This preserves the original in case you remove something important. Doing these initial checks saves time and avoids accidental data loss when you proceed to delete pages. Now you select the pages to remove by clicking thumbnails. Hold Shift or Control to select ranges or multiple non-consecutive pages, which speeds the process. Once selected, choose Delete or Remove from the menu, or extract selected pages to a new file if you want to keep them separate. Make sure to read the editor's confirmation prompt. Some apps offer undo, while others permanently remove pages. After deletion, preview the document to verify flow and that no important content was lost before you save the file. Finally, save the edited PDF under a new name so you retain the original for safety, and then skim the document to confirm pagination and layout stayed intact. If deleting shifted page order or caused blank pages, use the thumbnail drag and drop to reorder or remove remaining blanks. Many editors let you insert a page too. If something goes wrong, close without saving and reopen the backup, or use undo immediately. Keeping that initial backup is your key recovery method if deletions become irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.